for right now, we're gonna get this popped off and get a wedge made for it. All right, got the wedge. That will work. All right, I'm gonna hit this with 60 just to get the tongue cleaned up, and then I'm gonna hit it with some 180 to get the handle cleaned up. Alright, I think I'm happy with that. Let's get a rag and just kind of dust it off real quick. So there was one little overstrike mark there, but there's no damage. So I just didn't sand it any further for risk of losing a whole bunch of material. But we're ready to hang an axe. We're ready. So let's get this thing going. Get my gloves ready. Kind of be semi-prepared.